Before we start the video, remember there was a Polly Pocket doll here. It's in the truck, and plus I wanted to get a new one, so just to let you know. I finally discovered that the washing machine finally works. I have undies and a towel to try out in our new washer. Now let's turn it on. Okay, now let's dry the clothes. Now let's go downstairs. If there's people folding in the two tables, then you have to wait on this chair. And if they're not occupied, then you can use one of the tables. This big one right here is for folding big things. And this one is for folding smaller things. Let's fold. Ta-da! Better, right? Now you have nice clean clothes, ready to be used again. If you like this video, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!